Okay, so I figured it's time for a little update. So as you can see, the tomatoes have gone crazy. They're up higher than the gazebo by a couple feet at least. So we are at the jungle phase of the garden right now. Hey guys. Hey buddy. You checking out the plants? Yeah? Well, check out this loofah. Is enormous. So that's exciting. Can't wait to see that dry. Turning into soap. Yeah. And then over here, we harvested a lot yesterday. Made some salad, but we got tiny cucamelons. We got lots. They were quite a bit bigger last night. But I think we harvested all of them, didn't we, Gizzy? And then the other tomatoes here, they're doing just fine. Got some here that are getting ready to turn. Getting some red ones in there. The ground cherry's big. Some squirrel or something has been deciding to rip off my corn and eat it and then leave it on the ground and has just attacked my corn plant, so that's been sad. 4 o'clocks are blooming like crazy. These guys bloom all day long, so I'm not sure where they're getting their name. They're confused, Gizzy. The beans are doing pretty good. I got another batch started recently. And my favorite plant in the garden is getting ready to bloom. Here's my hibiscus. This is the hardy hibiscus. It's like dinner plate size blooms. It's going to be a couple weeks before those are out. Some of these snapdragons are looking a little sad. Gotta get in here and do some weeding. I see some plantain and a few other things have popped up with all the rain and we had, and then some sunshine. My canna lily's doing good though. And I think there's a Cosmo back there just starting to bloom. And then we have this bed up there. And I cannot believe how tall those primroses are getting. They are insane. And over here, I have some more primrose that are getting pretty big. And then this hibiscus has been blooming for about a week now. And these are so pretty. Yep. So pretty. And we got more snapdragons and my phlox.